Okay, ready? Start. Child labor is type of crime in which children are forced to work in their very early age and perform the responsibilities just like adults by taking part in the economic activities. According to the International Labour Organization, there is an age limit applied to the children that children up to the age of 15 will not involve in any type of work forcefully. It is an employment of the children in any type of work which makes children deprived of childhood, proper education, physical, mental, and social well being. It is completely forbidden in some countries, however, has been an international concern in most of the countries as it is destroying the future of children to a great extent. It is a serious matter in most of the developing countries. Small age group children are being involved in the child labor hugely by the people of high status. They are avoiding the fact that children are the big hope and future of the nation. Millions of children have been deprived of the childhood and proper education in our country, which is a dangerous sign. Such children do not get the chance of living healthy life as they are not satisfied physically, mentally and socially from their childhood. According to the Indian law, children below the age of 14 years cannot be employed to any type of work forcefully, whether by the parents or owner in a factories, offices or restaurants. It is a common practice in India as well as other developing countries in a small scale industry, domestic aid, restaurant service, stone breaking, shopkeeper's assistant, every household industry, bookbinding, etc. The various reasons of child labor in our country. Some of the causes of global child labor are similar, however, differ country to country. Most common reasons are like poverty, repression of child rights, improper education, limited rules and laws on child labor, etc. Poverty and high level unemployment in the developing countries are the main reason of child labor. According to the UN statistics of 2005, more than one-fourth of people worldwide are living in extreme poverty. Lack of access to the regular education in many countries. It was found in 2006 that around 75 million children were away from the school life. Inadequate social control gives rise to the child labor in the agriculture or domestic work. Limited child or workers' rights, which are labor standards and giving standards to a great extent in order to eliminate child labor. Small children get involved in the child labor in order to increase income of their family to manage 2 times food. They are hired by the industries to get more work at reduced labor cost. Children are conserved as the most important asset of their country. However, improper understanding of the parents and poverty making them the reason for the weakness of the country instead of being the power of the country. Most of the children under poverty line are forced to do child labor daily even after the lots of awareness program run by the government and future welfare of society towards the welfare of the child. Children are the new flower with the powerful fragrance of any nation. However, some people are declining the power and destroying the future of the country just for earning small money by illegally involving the growing kids. They are playing with the moral of the innocent people and their kids. Protecting children from the child labor is the responsibility of each and every citizen living in the country. Child labor is the socio-economic issue which is coming from long ago and now need to be solved on ultimate basis. Dear Mr. Tom, thank you for your letter and your invitation. My wife's condition continues to be grave and it is difficult to say how matters will shape themselves in the future. Because of this, it is difficult for me to fix up any program for myself. While in prison, now I feel somewhat unsettled and tired in mind and body. The change from long absence was sudden and unexpected, and the rapid air journey across many countries and a wholly new situation require some adjustment. No doubt I shall adjust myself after a while. Certainly, I purpose to visit England if my wife's health permits it, and I hope to have my daughter with me when I go there. I imagine that in any event, this visit is not likely to materialize before the middle of October. How long I shall be able to stay there, I do not yet know, but if it is at all possible, we would very gladly avail ourselves of your kind invitation to visit you and stay with you. Prison life becomes difficult without some definite occupation and variety. It is not given to everyone. I am afraid to be able to compose poetry even under the stress of prison, but I think that most people can learn to stand on their heads. Yours sincerely.